Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in this video we will take a look at this computer. This computer, I have got it from a really kind guy that I found on Facebook Marketplace, and he was kind enough to give me this computer for free. Actually, before getting this computer, I have bought from him another component, and it is the GTX 970. I bought it for 40 euros, and I think it was a really good deal. He's such a good guy for selling me this graphics card for only 40 euros. But he said it was working perfectly, so let's see if that's actually the case. Another thing that I have bought from him before getting this computer is this DDR3 RAM. They are 4GB each, totaling 8GB. And this guy is actually moving to another country, and that's why he's getting rid of his items. He wanted to sell this computer, but in the end, I don't actually know if nobody's buying it or anything. So instead of throwing it in the trash, he decided to give it to me. And thank you very much, man. I really appreciate this. And this is my first time opening this computer, and we'll see what's inside. So let's take a look and let's see what's inside. Oh, it's a bit dusty. Whew. I don't know how long it's been since he cleaned this computer, but it's free, so I can't complain. And if it's dirty, it's no problem. We're going to clean it. So it looks like we have a 550 watt power supply. I can't see. Oh, it's a cooler master one. CPU tower cooler. That's pretty good. It's small. I think it's around 92mm fan, and it's from Noctua. That's great. Noctua produces a lot of really great heatsinks and cooler. Okay, so I put on my mask for the dust, and let's disassemble this computer and see what's inside. This power supply only has I only put 3 screws in it. That's fine. It's being held up just fine. So yeah, after that I think the power supply can be removed easily now. And it's free. Oh my god, this thing is so heavy, dude. This power supply is really heavy. It's 80 plus 550 watt from Cooler Master. So this is pretty similar to my old tower cooler, the Arctic Freezer 34 Esports. So I think I just need to unclip it like this. It's a bit hard. Oh, there we go. Ah, there we go. It's free. Let's start from the left side. I usually remove the screws on a diagonal pattern in order to remove the force evenly. There we go. Well, it's not even that dry. I think he replaced this not quite long ago, but it needs a bit of cleaning. And let's clean it with a paper towel. It is an Intel Core i5 2500. Okay. Oh, it's actually compatible to my other, because on my parents' computer they are running an i7 2700. No, wait, it's no i7 2600. It's not K, so it's not overclockable. But I think I can put their CPU in here and get an upgrade on their motherboard. I think this is a much better motherboard compared to what they have on their computer. So that's pretty good. And the CPU, it's a bit less powerful compared to what my parents have. So my plan for this computer is I'm gonna remove all the other components. So I'm gonna grab the motherboard and the CPU, and I'm gonna exchange the better components on my parents' computer, and then just give them a small upgrade on their computer. And we'll see if it works or not. Wow, this one is pretty dirty. Let's unscrew this one. The motherboard is free, and you can remove it. There we go. Oops, I accidentally dropped the standoffs. It is the P, is that an 8 or a B? Probably it's an 8. It's a P8H67M. Oh, I almost forgot. We also got this, it's not included with the computer because it's separated. I bought this from him as I stated on the intro, this is a GTX 970 G1 Gaming, and this is a pretty top of the line graphics card, I guess, back in the day, back in 2014 when this was released, and it looks pretty nice. Hopefully it works. And then we have this RAM that I got from here as well. And they are from Corsair Vengeance, I don't know how you pronounce it. Vengeance? I don't know. But they are the grandpas of the Corsair Vengeance we have now. And look at them, they are cute. They are, I don't know if they're actually narrower or smaller compared to the DDR4 versions, but they are definitely taller compared to the DDR4 Corsair Vengeance RAM. And as I stated, they are 4 GB each, so it's 8 GB total. And let's see what frequency they are running at. They are running at 1600 MHz with these timings. So before I start cleaning, I almost forgot. I decided to not clean this graphics card yet, since it's not that dirty. And I don't know if he ever opened this computer to change the thermal paste, but I'm actually curious to see if how the temperature is holding up, since this graphics card is from 2014, and right now, let me look at my calendar, we're in 2023, so it's like 9 years. I don't remember which month exactly this was released. So let's do that. I'm going to clean all the other components, and then we're going to power it up and see if it works, and also plug in this GPU and see what the temperature is like. And then later on, of course, we're going to disassemble it and clean it and see the difference of temperatures and if the performance has differed. So let's do that. Hello guys, Ivan from the future here. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough time to clean the GTX 970 and test it. I'm gonna make a separate video for that. But for now, I hope you enjoyed this cleaning process and the assembly. And I'll see you guys again later.